Hi everyone! In this lesson, I will talk about line interchanging. The problem sounds like this. Is read a two-dimensional array with m lines and n columns, like this example, when the lines are free and the columns are free. And there are also read two distinct numbers, a and b, with values between 0 and m minus 1. Interchange the line A with the line B. First, I will print on the screen the initial two-dimensional array after the one obtained with the interchange of A and the B lines, like in this example. And let's see the code now. So I will take the matrix A and B for those two lines and cycle variables n and m for lines and columns, and maybe I'll need another variable c for interchange step, and we will see if we will need something else. Now I will read the number of lines, the number of columns, those two lines without message, but in the source files you see all program, and here I will read the two-dimensional array. And now the main algorithm. First I said that I will print the initial matrix, so let's write the print code. Here I have a different name for the matrix, because you can take two variables with the same name, even if this is a simple variable and this one is for an array or for a two-dimensional array. You need to take different names for these two ones. Here let us space, and after ends line for this I'll put here the brackets, and now the main code. So it's mandatory to take a look for the lines and and to check if the actual line is equal with A or not. This will be solved directly by writing the position of the lines on the first position of the index. You'll see here. So C is for interchange. Here will be the line, the column, and now let's print the new matrix. To write again, I'll take it from here. But it's better that it's better if you will write the code even if you know it very good. It's perfect to write it again, not to copy and paste, because you will not understand and you will not learn so easily. Okay, and now let's see. Somewhere it's a variable, and here these ones and m isn't good to be like this, so I'll take for the matrix, for example D, and here D. So like I said before, you uh, uh, don't need to take two variables with the same name, so different names. Okay, let's check again. So for this example, and the first read is for lines, after columns, after 0 and 2 for this line and for the last line. And now the matrix. And in the end, here is good, and here is an error, so isn't good to be like this. So for 0 and 0, here we'll take a minus 1. So if you will put from the start the line 0 and 2, isn't here good to take minus 1, but if you take 1 and 3 like in this example, then here is mandatory to put minus 1. So in this case, for a0 and b2, I'll take like this, and now let's check. So 3 and 3, 0 and 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, and 3, 3, 3. So this is the first print of the initial two-dimensional array, and the second one for final matrix. So it's good, but let's take some spaces between these two prints from here. And in the end, to understand better the code, so for 3302 and those elements, you will have the first two-dimensional array, and after the second one modified. So it's correct. This is all for this lesson, and I'm waiting you at the next lesson when I'll talk about spiral application. See you next time. Bye.